Hello, Mr. Judge.
Hello, son. Though what brings you here?
I have a question about what is an ethical dilemma, and if you know how to deal with this kind of situations.
I might know a thing or two about ethical dilemmas. Know this, that in these types of dilemma, the two choices you choose both have a negative outcome.
So both choices you choose are wrong.
Sort of. The choices you make are on the perspective on what you think is right or wrong.
I see, but how do we deal with these problems?
As a judge, I have to make some tough decisions, so to solve these I've used the 4 steps on solving a dilemma.
And what might those be?
The 4 steps are critical way on how to come up with the best solution.
So may I know these steps?
Sure. Step 1 is to recognize the moral issue.
How might I do that?
By stopping to think of the situation.
I get it. So I have to see the problem.
Precisely.
Mr. Judge, what would you do if you sent someone to the death penalty even if he was unfit to face it?
Good question. I once had a man in my court by the name Ronald Wilson.
What about this man?
He was being convicted for murder, but his IQ score was in the 70s.
Isn't that the borderline for retardation?
Yes, that is why it was a hard decision to make.
So what did you do?
I used the 4 steps to solving a dilemma, which are to recognize the moral issue, get the facts, consider the potential decisions from various perspectives, so I can finally make my final decision. Those are the 4 steps.
I understand. But what did you end up doing to Mr. Wilson?
I had to decide if the death penalty was or if it was not the right decision for him.
Then you got the facts.
Yes, I had to hear from all my witness and judge him with the facts that I had. And I then had to see who it affected.
Then you looked at the different perspective.
Right. I had to choose if I had to respect the rights of this man, if the choice I made was fair to everyone, if it was for the common good, if it was a core characteristic choice, or if it is the most useful perspective.
So what was your decision?
I decided to use that he should get the death penalty because it's the most useful choice. The man had killed before, and as long as he lived he could continue to kill even those who are trying to help him.
Oh. However would you look at the time? So thank you for your knowledge. I learned a lot today.
You're welcome.